I'm going to turn this over to our SRO, Miss Garza, and she'll have a few instructions for you.
But the person I know you really want to see is right there. His name is Judge. He is a 2-year-old German Shepherd.
He and I are a brand new team. We've only been certified for about a month. However, he's the 6th dog that I've trained and handled in my career. It's just like when you pop a bag of popcorn in the house. Do you guys smell popcorn for a little while? No different than that. You can smell the odor of the drug here, and so that's how the dog can find that. And you saw how he worked along. He just kind of moves along, doesn't do anything big different, but once he finds he gets a little excited and he sits down.